Is it Fort Knox? No. Is it something that everybody should have though? Absolutely, without a doubt. Okay, so this comes with 2 sets of keys. One is for the interior box, one is for the exterior. There are actually 3 ways to get in here, right? So number 1 is you can put in a secret code and get in that way, right? Another is the main key. Put it in here. You're in. Or the final, most fun way is your secret fingerprint, and you're in. So now that we're in, let's start up here at the top, and I'll show you what you use this other set of keys for. There's a lockbox here at the top. It's kind of hard to see in there because it's just black on black, but it's a decent sized lockbox. Okay. There is an adjustable shelf right here. There are holders so you can organize the kind of things that you might put in there that we kind of can't really talk about. Oh, same with these, right? You could put 2 of those there, as well as some additional shelving here on the door. And there are some additional organizational spots there on the side. Overall, this is a really, really solid piece. I'm actually very impressed with it. Really quite cool. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you're looking at this, trying to figure out what's involved, it seems pretty darn effective for what I'm looking for. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.